Today we will change the password for multi-site installer, because this is also one of the default on our control panel. So we will go to login, we will go to users, and then arrow up to number 3 for a multi-site installer. Okay, after that press the default password, the 654321, and then go to access code. Go to programming, network programming, then access code, then enter the desired new password, access code, password, at least 7 digits, 7 numbers. Re-enter your desired new passwords. Okay, 7 digits. After that, enter. After that, press the left back arrow, and there is a pop-up save message. Just press enter, and then press left arrow until you go back to main menu. So this is very easy in order to rectify the fault in alarm panel for multi-site installer fault. So this is the way how to change the password. So thank you very much and have a good day to each of every one of you. Bye-bye.